Breaking new rules like Dua Lipa, unforgettable mixtape coming at you. Looking at you like you're looking at me. Staring so hard just to
Hey, what's up guys, Terex Mixtape God right here. Welcome again to the channel. So if you're new here, I do a lot of music talk, tips, do's and don'ts, how-tos, music strategy, music marketing, and it's all just about the music right here on this channel, okay? So if you're new and you know that's the kind of content that you want to see, be sure to hit the subscribe button right down below. Give me a lot of thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to ring the bell icon so when I do drop a video, you're going to be the very first one to see it, okay? Tell me in the comment section how awesome you are. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being part of the family, okay? Now, into this video, I'm going to tell you how you can actually get noticed and picked up by not just A&R representatives, not just TV shows, music supervisors and stuff like that, but how you can actually get real recognition in the music industry. Now I got a friend right here in Toronto, she just got some press release of recent. Big congratulations to her. Like, this was so amazing. No one saw this coming. It just happened overnight, okay? So that could be you. It could happen to anybody, okay? So but there's certain things that you actually need to do, so let's just talk about that real quick, okay? And first and foremost, this is really quite obvious and really important. What does your content look like, okay? What kind of content are you pushing out? All right, now it's important to know that quality is a lot better than quantity. Okay, so what kind of content are you pumping out? Are you just dropping singles on Spotify just hoping one of them's gonna be a hit? No, you gotta take your time. You gotta write your music properly, okay? You gotta go through the work. You gotta test it, okay? Now, I am kind of like a part engineer, computer, AI security, whatever you want to call it, okay? And there's a lot that you do when you're making the software, okay? You got to test it, you got to do research, you got to do a lot of stuff, okay? So you try to bring that into the music side of it, okay? You don't just make a song and then you just throw it out there, okay? You got to do a lot of testing, okay? You got to know if people do like this kind of style. You got to know if this is something that can actually go somewhere, okay? I had no idea New Age was going to perform the way it did perform. I really had no idea, but a lot of people really love it, okay? And I say thank you to everyone who clicked that button just to listen to the song. If you haven't listened to it, I'm just going to link it right down in the description so you can actually go check it out. There's a lot more amazing singles that are coming your way. Just be on the lookout for that. Now, another thing I'm going to talk about is how consistent are you with this content, okay? Now, it's not just about pumping content, but is it consistent, all right? Does it follow a pattern? Are you doing it every month, 2 months, a week? If you have that kind of strength, depends on how you want to do it, but how exactly are you actually doing it, okay? And another thing I'm going to tell you is how dedicated are you to producing this content, and also how passionate are you dedicated to producing this content? Because I tell you something, a lot of people can actually read your emotions from the kind of songs that you do make, just in case you didn't know. So if you do want to get recognized and picked up by an A&R, a record label, a TV show, a movie, whatever it is, a music supervisor, a music manager, music agent, whatever it is, man, a music publisher, all right, then you really need to get your dedication, your passion, your content, everything right on point. Now, I'm going to give you another tip, okay? What does your social media look like, all right? Is your social media as good as it can be, all right? Now, a lot of people think this is a joke, but when they want to know more about you, where the hell are they going to go to? It's definitely your social media. Before they send you an email, unless it's a scam, of course, before they give you a phone call or something, they're going to go to your social media. They're going to look at everything that you've been doing. Okay, once I see an email pop up, I already know if it's a scam or not, because I already know, like, hey, you didn't look into me. You didn't even bother to know what I'm about. You just threw an email in right there. I got an email from Def Jam Records. Seriously, Def Jam Records. defjamrecords@gmail.com. Come on, man, y'all gotta do better than that. So what does your social media actually look like? Does your Twitter, your Instagram, your Facebook, everything, does it have the same profile picture across? I've talked about this so many times. Does it have the same name? Okay, you cannot be Jack on Facebook and then you're Steve on Instagram and then you're Joe on Twitter. It just doesn't work that way. There has to be consistency, okay? This is something I did get from a record label one time when I sent a song, and their feedback was that they really liked the song, but unfortunately they cannot offer me a place on the label at the moment. And the lady did go for it to say, I like how there is so much consistency between all your social media platforms, and she did say this is something they don't get often, okay? So I'm telling you, these guys do look at this, okay? And that's why I'm here for you guys. I give you real life hands-on experience, right? It's everything I've gone through. It's all the mistakes I've made that I'm pumping into these videos right here, okay? So if you guys can just help me back, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, okay, and also tell me in the comment section, alright, what do you do in order to get noticed by all of these big guys, okay? It is really important that you take the right steps and you do the right thing in order for you to get noticed, okay? Some people gotta work so hard for them to get noticed, while others don't actually really work that hard. They just do one thing and instantly they blow up. Now also, talking about getting noticed, are you putting your music in front of the right audience, okay? Are you doing promotions, alright? Are you putting it in front of YouTubers, in front of TikTok influencers, Instagram influencers? Are you trying to do as much promotion as you can do? Are you doing word of mouth? Are you telling people about your music, about your content, where to find it, what you're all about? Are you networking? Are you finding the right people? Are you going to places? Are you trying to do collabs? This is a lot of things that I've mentioned in previous videos before, and these are things that you can actually do on a daily basis. It's not hard. It's just something you just got a consistent, continuous journey, okay? No one ever said it was gonna be easy, all right? But you really gotta put in the hard work. You really gotta try. You really gotta make this happen, okay? And I'm gonna give you one last scenario. Is for you to use LinkedIn, okay? A lot of people feel like LinkedIn is just for guys that wear suits and ties that are up to here, but it doesn't necessarily have to be that way. A lot of these A&Rs, a lot of music managers, music marketers, everything you can think of, they do have professional profiles on LinkedIn. So why not hop on LinkedIn and try to reach out to these people? This is something I've been implementing myself for past couple of weeks right now, just trying to see how I can form a lot more relationships with a lot of these kind of people. It does go a long way when you form a relationship with these guys, okay? I got a friend on Instagram. She works at Sony Music, okay? So there is nothing bad with just reaching out to these people, form a lot of relationships with them, just try to get to know them, okay? Try to connect with them, tell them what you do, let them know what they do. And if by some chance they can actually help you, they will definitely help you move further, because the time might come where they might just be looking for a young new talent or something, and their friend is the A&R, and they just be like, hey, I got someone you might just want to check out, you know, just check him out. It's not going to be a big deal, and they just check it out, and who knows, they might just like you from there, okay? So that's it for me with this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up on the video, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so when I do drop videos like this, you're going to be the very first one to see it, okay? Thanks a bunch so much for watching. I will see you in the very next video. Don't forget, guys, be unstoppable.
The line is a fine thing line. I'ma do my best, babe, I ain't gonna lie. Wanna be the best, nigga, take out the best, cause the best is unstoppable, it's me and you. Fight to the death, we could do this thing. Hate on me ain't a new damn thing. You see me walk on another fine throne.